The richness of villages and well-rooted lifestyle with cultural diversity will be Kerala's USP in tourism market with growing demand for the village visits from the aspiring tourist. The traditional villages across Kerala now offer a bouquet of experiences to the global traveler. Whether it be a Koyur village in Alapura, a fisherman's village in Cochin, or even a backwater side village sites in Kumaragam, it's more of a life experience for every visitor. Now, the tourism industry is trying to rejuvenate its village tourism initiatives by making it a focus product on the 8th Kerala Travel Mart being held at Cochin.
The tour operator's role is to mentor it, mold it, and sell it. So he will just meet the service provider and make the product accordingly what is the requirement of the market. So it's a joint effort between the operator and the service provider and the buyer. So I hope that Kerala is immense potential and enough people to take up this new product.
Village tourism has grown beyond just another travel variant in the state by integrating it with village community and the economy. The model evolved by the Kerala Tourism and Village Tourism Experimentation, better known as Kumaragam model, is now case study for a responsible tourism experience. The villagers and tour operators commit to protect the nature and cultural wealth of the villages by practicing responsible approach while on business. The producers of local people such as agri products and milk are consumed for the tourists, which result in better income for the local public. The local art forms and crafts are well in demand by the tourists as part of the travel experience to witness and learn the culture. Kerala's Village Responsible Tourism Experimentation has won the United Nations Award for the uniqueness in protecting the value and culture of the community. But for the tourism industry in Kerala, the challenges are huge in growing the village tourism product to grab a better share in the market.
The challenge is how do we grow in a way that makes sense to the community, to the society, and to the state by and large, and which is why we brought in this concept called responsible tourism. And responsible tourism is not something that is happening by chance. There is a certain, there is a certain construct, there is a paradigm that we want to happen in Kerala. But you will have to take that and translate it into the ground reality. And there will be some modification, some suitable localization that will have to be done. But today, Kerala, especially the Kumaragam experiment that we have done, the pilot project for responsible tourism, has emerged as a major global model.
While the Kerala Travel Mart will try to find out a collective effort to give a new dimension to the growing village tourism concept, the tour operators are more confident about the outcome. Replicating some of the successful and acclaimed responsible tourism models in the state, elsewhere in God's own country, is expected to bring in encouraging results. So the villagers are dressed up to welcome the guests from around the world, so the organizers at Kerala Travel Mart. Reports Media Positive at Shreyas Media.